Hey kids, it's me, Tony, and yes, yet another new subscription box for me. This one comes from Cloth and Paper. Now they do like stationery, paper, obviously, pens, different things like that. And they have two subscription sizes. There's one where you get kind of a little bit of everything. And then they have one that is only for pens. So, being that I wasn't sure and that I was trying some other boxes, I didn't want to go full throttle and get the whole big box. So I just got the pen box. So, I like pens. They're fun. So I thought I would try that and we would see what you get. I think it's either $16 or $18 a month. And since these are pens, I have my handy dandy pad so we can test them out. So let's see what this looks like. So, very nice. Comes with a penspiration board. And look at what inspired the pens for this month's box. And then, oh, it's the test sheet. I don't even need a pen. I have a test sheet. Okay, what we got there? And what we got there? That's it. So this is very nice. Oh, wow. Not more than I thought I would get. So these are not going to be like high price pens, but these are a variety of different pens. A lot of them I think come from Japan or Korea, and then some US ones. It's a big thing, writing instruments, I think, in Japan. So I'm going to open up. Oh, that's cute. Just like a little envelope in plastic, and then you get that. Okay. There we go. I'm going to mix these. Okay. So here's your this. And then that's very nicely packaged. Okay, and then okay, technical difficulties. Alright, so then you do get like a little envelope to hold the pens. So that's nice. Okay, let's see. There looks to be a couple of refills. So one is a Best Thin Gel Pen Refill, a 2-point. I don't know if I can tell what color it is. And then this one is a .28. Wow, that's very specific. And M&G. So I'm guessing that we may have pens that go with that. So the first pen, I am correct, is the M&G. Nice. Looks like a ballpoint pen. Is it? I think it may be a pencil. Let's see, where's our little card? I think it's a mechanical pencil from the looks of it. That's really cool. I like that. I mean, it's very nice. It's very smooth if it's a pencil. You know, I'm going to have to go online and look at what, let me see what this says. Well, that's fun. What's next? Another M&G. This M&G Quick drying. Okay. There's a quick drying pen. Ooh. I think that's just the whole, yeah. So, no, not that quick drying. Okay. I don't think it's that quick drying. What do you think? That's a nice pen. I was kind of hoping to be really quick drying because I'm left-handed and I'm always erasing myself. The next one, I don't know, but it looks like this. Oh, I have it upside down. Another M&G. Looks to be like a little clicky pen. So let's check this one. Almost looks like another pencil. Nope, it's red ink. Okay, I'm really good at smearing. So, but it's so fine. This is like really fine. But those are my favorite kind. I'm just scribbling because this is a bad angle. Then we have the philosophical. Less is more. 2mm. Again, very thin. And just so I can tell, they're also thin that I mean, but they're very smooth. All these pens so far have been really smooth, which when you're left-handed is a good thing because when you're right-handed, you're pulling the pen across the paper. And when you're left-handed, you're pushing it. So if the smoother the pen, the easier it is for folks like me who write left-handed. That's your little factoid about left-handed people. And the last one, okay, let's see. My paper so I can get this to look. Deli. Okay, this is a 5mm, so this is much thicker than the ones we've seen. It also has a really nice pen grip. And it also has a little nib protector. I can't hardly get off. Well, hold on. Okay. So you'll see that one's a lot bigger, comparatively. So, yeah. I know, don't you love my artwork, my penmanship? I'll try to do something a little better, and I'll have descriptions of what these pens are. Just in case you would like to know. So, anyway, I don't mind. You know, I wish some of these had been in a different color than all black, but I do like the variety of types of pens. I mean, you have a little clicker pen, you have, you know, a mechanical pencil, you know, this one that has a nice grip to it. So in all, I got 5 pens and a little envelope to store them in. So that came out to about $5 a pen. Oh no, less than $5. Because I got 5. So about $3.54 a pen. And I got 2 refills. So that's a really good deal. Now, do I need 100 pens? No. So I don't know how much I'll do this. I may end up trying the whole box and see what I get in that, you know, in a couple of months. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. It was something new and different, not makeup, not nail stuff, just totally new and different. Let me know what you think. Would you like something like that? Do you like pens? Some people are pen people. Some people could care less. Anyway, I'll get the information on these pens and put it down as well as a link to Cloth and Paper. That's it. I'll try to make this short because I know pens are so exciting that I could do this, you know, for an hour and you would be mesmerized, but for the sake of time, I will end it now. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Look at my poor hands. Bye-bye.